Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we are going to be covering the Adidas Taekwondos. These are known as the Adidas Taekwondo off-white laces in the Better Scarlet colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome on in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Today we're going to be talking about probably one of the best deals of sneakers that I got for 2025. These are the Adidas Taekwondo Off-White Better Scarlets, and it's the lace variation. You've probably seen a Taekwondo on my channel that was laceless, so now we're doing a pair that's fully laced up. We'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this really gorgeous looking sneaker, and then we'll conclude with how much these are going for on the retail market and where you can find yourself a pair. Let's jump right into it. As far as the material goes, this is fully covered in a satin material and it's beautiful in this shiny scarlet red. And then we've got this nice off-white stitching throughout, then some simple skinny laces in the red tone and finish. I really do love this pair of Taekwondos with laces. I think it gives a little bit of an extra dimension to the sneaker versus the one that's laceless. This pair also has a tongue, which is nice and squishy and thin. And then we've got almost like a Bordeaux tone for the Adidas logo on the front of it. And then the tongue is also exposed with the foam on top. So let's take a look at those details and then move along to the side paneling. All right, so wrapping around the side panels, we've got nice leather tones and finish for this cream tone of the three stripes. Underneath, we have underlays of that nice satin material in red. As you see, when it hits the light, it's got a nice sheen to it. That fully completes the sneaker on the back of the heel. Then we've got some nice red hues for the Adidas logo, and then the same color scheme goes on the lateral side of the sneaker. The interior is also finished in a satin material, but this time it's in white, and then the insole is in red and white. The sneakers finish with a red midsole and then a gum bottom for the outsole. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, I always usually size down in most of my Adidas. I typically go with my European size, so I'm between a 40 and a 40 and 2/3. And since I'm normally a size 9 in all other sneakers, I definitely always size down between a size 8 or an 8.5 in women's in Adidas. This time around, I went with 8.5 and these fit perfectly. I will say though that the Taekwondos are quite narrow, so if you do have flatter, wider feet, you may actually be okay with just sticking with your usual size. All right, so now let's jump into styling. Again, I think that this is such a fun, flashy looking sneaker. You can really dress this up, you can really dress this down. For the first look, I decided to go with a nice casual look, this Adidas bedazzled tee, which I layered with an Adidas jacket that was just dressed in a nice charcoal tone. I wore some nice, just simple dark denim jeans and a black tone to really make the sneaker pop for the first look. I wanted to dress it up with a mini dress in red. Had some nice roses all over it. And then for the last look, I wore some bedazzled light denim pants and a bustier top that had some nice embellishments all over it with some nice crystals. All right, so as far as where I found these, I actually got a pair of these at the Adidas outlets. This was during one of their really good sales. It was 60% off. So I got these for around $30, but these are actually still on sale right now for around $45. If you have not tried the Taekwondo silhouette on, I think that these look phenomenal on foot. They look super trendy, super high fashion, and they really just rock with everything. So definitely if you have a pair that's available in your size range, I would 100% pull the trigger and snag yourself a pair while they're going for around $45 on Adidas right now. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We'll catch you on the next episode.